In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a heat map in Google Sheets. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To get started, open Google Sheets in your browser and open the spreadsheet that contains your data. First, select the cells you want to turn into a heat map by clicking and dragging over the numbers. Try to avoid selecting headers unless you want them formatted too. Next, go to the top menu and click Format. Then choose Conditional Formatting from the drop-down menu. A sidebar will open on the right side of the screen. In that sidebar, click the Color Scale tab. This is where you create the heat map effect. Now choose the colors for your scale. Use a dark color for the highest values, a lighter color for the middle values, and the lightest color for the lowest values. Google Sheets will automatically apply the gradient across your data. You can adjust the colors until the preview looks the way you want. Once you're finished, click Done. Your heat map is now created, and your cells will automatically display different colors based on the values in the spreadsheet.